Hey guys, check this out. Diving into the markets real quick. Extreme fear in the markets, and Bitcoin sitting at $20,209. Ethereum at $1577. A ton of fear, a ton of uncertainty, but we're going to dive right into what's going on. Jim Cramer urges investors to avoid assets like Bitcoin. Now, this guy, earlier last year, I would say late last year, when everything was going crazy, he was telling people to buy. So what changed? So looking here, the cryptoverse has fetched a lot of critics since the very beginning. An array of officials spoke up on how Bitcoin was the currency of the dark web. However, over time, Bitcoin proved to be much more than its association with the dark side of the internet. In the meantime, some warmed up to the industry, while few have others that stayed dubious. The host of CNBC's Mad Money, Jim Cramer, has been quite vocal about his love-hate relationship with crypto. That's what I was saying. Like, this guy, he's into crypto. So with the turbulence of the crypto market, he's saying, look, Chairman Powell told us we need to stop doing stupid things with our money. That was the rest of his speech on Friday. So he's pretty much saying, okay, since Powell's saying stop doing dumb things with the money, and it's pretty speculative, to avoid things like crypto right now. I definitely think that we should do the exact opposite of what the mainstream media is saying. The exact opposite. I'm not sipping the Kool-Aid. Because by the time the market turns around, it's going to be too late. By the time everything turns around, we changed our position. Meanwhile, you've missed hundreds, if not, thousands of hundreds of dollars of gains. You missed out on 50x, 100x, because you're following these mainstream media people who are still in crypto. Like Jim Cramer's still in crypto. And that's just my opinion. I'm not confirming that, but he's still in crypto. Come on. Right? So he can afford to be wrong. Like a lot of the people that watch this channel, we come from the trenches, right? Like we're regular people. We've if you've been in the last bear market, you've been able to take 10,000 to 250,000, right? So you've seen the potential. And so imagine those friends and family who took Warren Buffett's advice and missed out on it. Took Mark Cuban's advice. Who's, Bitcoin's at like $3,000. He's like, yeah, I'd rather have bananas. Missed out on taking $3,000 to almost $70,000. Okay? Like, come on. And then he can afford to be wrong. But these people, people like regular people who have an opportunity like this can't afford to be wrong, right? You can't afford to miss out on opportunity is what I'm saying. So I'm not sipping that Kool-Aid, but next news here, Iran greenlights Bitcoin crypto payments for imports. So legislation has been passed in Iran establishing the legal framework for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Guys, it's happening. Like the world is adopting this technology. And you have an opportunity to capitalize on that. This is the .com boom of the 2000s. This is AOL. This is Netscape. This is the .com boom again, happening and impacting the way we do finance. Like the .com boom, let's say .com boom, impacted email, impacted how we communicate, right? It impacted, pretty much everything on how we get information across. This is impacting how we transact business. Crypto impacts finance. Like it's crazy. And we have opportunity right now. You have opportunity. I have opportunity. Everyone has an opportunity at this point. And they say under the new law, cryptocurrency can be used as payment for imports to the country by government and local businesses. The law also addresses fuel supply, electrical consumption for Bitcoin mining. Iran passed an act which enables the use of Bitcoin and crypto payments for imports through a comprehensive legal framework, per report local news outlet in Tasnim. So it's happening, guys. People are adopting this tech. So the notion that this is a fad, this is going to go by with the wind. You have countries, you have nations adopting this technology. Okay, so definitely something to take a look at, definitely something to pay attention to, because it's happening, and it's going to pass by with or without us. Now, looking at Bitcoin, I do have pulling back even further. I do, you know, it is flirting with that 19,000 to 20,000 range. I think that there's going to be one last leg drop. Now, our number is 14 to 17,000. I do think I do want to say 14 to 16, but I definitely, you know, it's not confirmed that 17 is going to be broken, even though I think it's going to be broken. I would say 14 to 16, but just to be safe, I'm saying 14 to 17. Give it that $3,000 cushion. If it does make a new low past 17,000, I do think 14,000 is in play. And that's pretty much what we have at Bitcoin. With Ethereum, I think the ETH merge will have a big pump. Like, I think there will be a huge pump with the ETH merge, but I think it's going to be temporary. And then it's going to, you know, price is going to correct back to where it belongs, given the current overall market conditions across, you know, not just crypto, but just, you know, you look at stocks, you look at, you know, commodities and every other asset class that's being impacted right now. I think it falls into play. So guys, hope you got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do, and we'll see you soon.